Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills.
Eventually, anyone that works with animated props is going to have to strip some wires, whether you're inserting them into power plug connectors, fastening 2 or more wires together in wire nuts, or adding them to headers on a circuit board. There are plenty of different tool options to use for this purpose, and I've tried many of them. They all have their strengths and weaknesses, but today we're going to discuss the one I reach for. This one-handed model is available for less than $14. It grips and strips with an easy squeezing motion, which ensures that you don't rip the wire out from its connection at the opposite ends. It's self-adjusting to the wire size from 12 down to 24 gauge, and you can set the strip length to suit your needs. I've purchased several of these as gifts for fellow haunters that have tried mine and wanted one for themselves. Do yourself a favor and give this work saver a try.
If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.